To begin with, we need to answer the question, what is a competency in language teaching? And to answer this, we need to take into account three elements: knowledge, skills, and contextualization. To have a clear idea of how these three elements integrate, let's analyze Unit 3 from the Pre-1 level, My Family. How do we identify the knowledge? Well, in our case, we will identify it through vocabulary and grammar. In vocabulary, we have family members, physical characteristics, adjectives to describe personality, and age-related expressions. With grammar, we will focus on the verb to be in affirmative and negative statements, and we will introduce the verb have with affirmative, negative, and interrogative statements for the pronouns I and you, and we are going to check adjective word order as well. Now, let's analyze what skills the student needs to develop in this unit. The student needs to be able to describe someone's physical appearance, to describe someone's personality, to differentiate vocabulary to describe the age, to use numbers to tell the age, to differentiate the use of plurals, to use expressions of possession with have and possessive pronouns, to ask and answer questions about basic personal information, and these skills will integrate in a contextualized scenario for a communicative response. This takes us to contextualization, the third element in a competency. And you have to answer the following questions. How will students use the knowledge and skills acquired in this unit in the real life? And is the content I am testing useful? Let's start by analyzing a possible student outcome for the task describing a picture to measure a specific competency. The student can give other people some basic information concerning his or her own family, for example, who the members of his or her family are and how old they are. Let's focus for a while in the knowledge. As you can see in this picture, students are using correctly family-related vocabulary, adjectives, they use the verb to be in affirmative and negative sentences, they are using the verb have for physical descriptions, and also they are identifying the correct word order of adjectives in sentences. Now we will see in this student outcome how the student integrated different skills. And we have identified with yellow those sentences in which the student is differentiating age. The old man, he is 50 years old, she is 45 years old. You can see right here the student is using both vocabulary and adjectives to describe age. If we look at the sentences highlighted in gray, we can identify that the student is able to describe personality. He is nice, happy, and friendly. She is strict and angry. And he is a curious and intelligent boy. Finally, if you pay attention to the sentences highlighted in orange, you can identify that the student is describing physical appearance. He is tall and thin. She has beautiful eyes. He is short and has black hair. As you can see, he is integrating different skills to transmit a message in a communicative way.